Okay, Jolo Angelo, let's learn numbers. What number is this one, Jolo Angelo? Number?
Number 2.
No, that's the first one. Number 1. This is number 2. This is what? Number?
Number
1.
1.
1 ikari. How about this one? Number?
Number 2 is
Very good.
for the G's, for the A.
Howsa?
Come on.
So how about this one? What number is this one?
Which one now ko to do?
Number
Number
3. So again, what is 1? 1.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. What's this one?
Tractors.
No, wagons.
Wagons.
How many wagons in the picture, Jolo Angelo?
2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
No, 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
There are 3
3
wagons
wagons.
in the picture.
Picture.
Very good. How about this one, Jolo Angelo? What's this one?
Banana.
Okay. What number is this one, Jolo Angelo? Number
Number 2, the window.
4.
Cheese.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Oh, how many bananas in the picture, Jolo Angelo? Now, 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. Very good. What's the color of the banana?
yellow, yellow.
Very
yellow.
good. So,
Wow,
what number is this one? Oh, kabaw nakalagi. Number 5.
Like the 5. Oh, wow, na
5. So, what's this one, Jolo Angelo?
bunnies.
Bunnies. How many bunnies in the picture? You count. 1,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5. Wait, sa kapoy lang ko. Yan na, oh.
Oh. So, wait, sa hapit naman. Oh. So, there are 5
5
bunnies
bunnies.
in the picture.
Picture.
So, what number is this one, Jolo Angelo?
W.
W. Number
Number
6.
6.
So, this is 4.
4.
Next.
Next.
What number? 5.
5. 6.
Oh, so again. 4,
4. A.
5,
5. 6.
again. Number
Number
4,
4. 8.
5,
5.
6.
6.
4,
4.
5,
5.
6.
6.
Again.
4. 5. 6.
Very good. What's this one, Jolo Angelo?
Ow, turtles.
How many turtles in the picture? You count. 1, 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6. There are
stars,
6
6,
turtles
turtle,
in the picture.
picture, and 6, 7.
How about this one, Jolo Angelo? Wait, sa.
Ow! Owie!
What's this one, Jolo Angelo? What's that one?
And fairy, uyab sila.
Oh, what's that one?
Fairy.
Oh, fairies.
No, di na mao. Angels.
Fairies.
Fairies
Oh,
and
what number is this one?
W and dako.
7.
7, 6, 7.
So what's the color of the fairies?
What's a nickel? I pink and purple.
And
And yellow.
yellow. So how many fairies in the picture? You count. 1. Pagtarong. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6.
7.